Hey, yo, Amir, you can share your screen. What do you see, Amir?
Um, right now I see it came down here, touched the 4 hour gap, create a gap here, and we traced at 806.
What's also down
Um,
there, Amir?
liquidity.
Here's a low.
Um,
And it's a daily gap down there. We got news at 8:30 also, man. What would you like to see, Amir, at 8:30?
Make it lower 15 minutes CID.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Like eat more into there, into the daily gap.
Okay. You sound low, man. You just waking up?
Yeah, yeah.
Late night, early morning?
Nah, I wasn't. I went to bed at decent time,
What's decent?
like midnight.
Huh?
Like midnight.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yes, man. Yes, no, yes. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Hey, yo, Amir, if you look at gold, it's moving the same way NQ moving. Same exact way. Same way. Hey, man, box off this 830 gap.
Where? You said 830 gap?
Yeah.
It hasn't formed yet.
Yeah, but it start that way you get ready. So you ain't doing it after the fact.
This the 829 candle, right?
This is the 830 right
You
here.
have, I thought you had to do it from 830 onward. You can't use the 829 candle.
That's the 830 candle.
Mhm. So this is the 830 gap.
Yep.
So you can use candles before 830.
No, this is 830. What time is that?
Yeah, but this is 830 right here, but this is 829 right here. And we're using that candle.
No, but when did it form? It didn't complete until this candle right here.
Which
It takes
candle?
three candles right together. Candle A, B, C. What time is this? 830.
So that goes for 930 and the
130.
130 gap.
Yep.
Hmm.
You need that load to be taken out to be a new one. What up, B?
What's that shaded area?
Say it again.
What's that shaded area? Shaded
That's
area?
daily
Shaded
gap.
area.
Now you can move it, Amir, because we took it low.
Well, at least it's not raining.
What you looking for, Amir?
Keep going down to this daily gap, creating lower lows, and then look for it to come back up with bullish gaps.
We in the daily gap. How low do you want to go?
Through it.
What happens if you don't go through it?
I mean, it's fine. I mean, it, If it don't go through, then I mean it'll go back up. So it's one of the two gonna happen.
So what
I
do
think
you
there's
need
a
to
little
see?
bit.
What do you want to see?
It goes through uh this daily gap, come down here to the I think it's a 4 hour. And take that out too, since it's right there.
What time is it?
I can't hear you
What time is it?
right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What time is it?
Oh,
Eight
nah,
four.
nah, later, man. Nah,
I
later.
could, I could barely hear. You said okay, it's 8:42 right now.
Okay, what that mean?
What happens? What happens soon?
The macro.
Okay, let's wait and see what happens.
Right.
And like I said, we're in the gap. We're also in the 4 hour too
Yep.
with a BPR, bullish BPR. So let's see if we get a reaction off of it. I think it's a fresh gap too.
Yep. And fresh, yeah, fresh daily gap.
There's another one under it.
Yep.
So, see, let macro tell us what it want to do instead of guessing. Because,
Or or jumping in, getting your head
right,
blown off.
because let's say it give you a fake move, might give you a fake up move right now. Just turn around and come right back down. So I would rather, in this situation, I would rather wait until the macro, during the macro time, for it to show me what I want, what it wants.
Also, Amir, when you look at the landscape, what have we been doing?
You know?
Going down, bearish.
Okay, so we've been selling off since London. So morning session might not be the best.
What's London? What time is that?
Very hard.
3 a.m. Okay.
Gave a hell of a move too from London. Right around like by 5 o'clock.
15 minute gap. And your market structure shift retrace back into the 15 minute gap. It's been selling off ever since.
Yeah, AE also gave you a 15-minute SMT too. when it does like this, Amir, I want extra confirmation of buy. Meaning that I ain't gonna take no IFVG. I wanted to give me a low and a fell and
Lower
then
the gap.
yeah.
Lower
Yep.
low, fell low, in the gap.
Yep. Especially when it's set off like this. Because I don't want to be the person to party.
You're gonna be buying it up.
Right.
You sell it down, it gave
It gave entry off the 830 gap. First percent gap. AE came body for body with that 4 hour bear CID yesterday. Literally body for body with it. Hey, yo, Amir, go to 4 hour. Literally body for body with it. Literally. It's sold off. Hey, we talked about that yesterday, didn't we? No hindsight?
what? The head and shoulder.
Yeah. Hey, yo, man, go to your 15 minute and mark out your liquidity.
All the way down. With 10 million in the bank, you never even had to touch that 10 million. You can go to the bank, lend against that 10 million, and whatever let's say, okay, I want to borrow 10 million off the 10 million already sitting in there. I got $10 million that I just borrowed from the bank. This is my money over here, liquid cash that I ain't never got to touch. And I take this 10 million and I go fuck it up. Guess what's gonna happen? I just have bad credit. That calling you every day. You gonna make a minimum payment.
I'm saying, I think when it comes to just people of a certain like culture, yeah, no, the lambs are, but it's not even just the lambs, just people in general saying this is it's disrespectful, and I think it was when you go things for sure, and so just not going to right here in certain places. Streams of so you keep the fans aren't saying that they're finding this is legendary. It's Brian Carey. You need to understand how big this is. That was the first time I said that they had built in stream because Brian Carey started the stream promoting. They were the opportunities that the first time they got to do that. And she based on her kids. Her son was in the chain. So they were doing it. She was in the chain. That's a kid. They know you're on there to do something about these. Although they're like it's a practice. You know, just a kid is very relaxed. But she, that's what I'm saying. She was relaxed to Mariah Carey, but she was feeling. It got to a point where like the twelve fingers was so like the words was catching up. I'm saying. Right for this, she did the motivational speech. Be a speech like this.
Seconds. We have a 15-minute bearish gap.
So what he?
They just got a confirmed bearish gap. 15 minutes.
Yeah.
I can see price pushing up to that gap. Check. Look at that down. Awesome.
Why you cancel your order, man?
Because it kept running off up here.
That's your draw on liquidity?
I don't wait. I don't know what you're asking.
Why you take your order off?
Because it kept what's the word? What's this? I don't know what this is called. Um
Did it grab liquidity? Did it come down hit anything before going up?
did it oh no, it didn't.
Yeah.
What's this called again? Stagnating?
Accumulating.
Accumulating, that's what I was thinking. And before you said if it does this, where it accumulates and comes down again, you want it to show you again on the right side, right? That it wants to go back up.
Yeah, that's why I didn't understand why you placed your order because when it's this heavily bearish right now, I'm not trading no OTE like that. I'm waiting for the right side to show me.
You're waiting for it to give you a low, lower low in a gap, right?
Right, low or low fail low.
Low, fill low. Okay.
So, yeah, right now,
Right,
It-
this is challenging this.
right. This is challenging it. When you parked it, it didn't challenge nothing. It just ran up and made a gap. And for me, just because it make a gap, don't mean it's gonna hold because it can blow right through it.
Is this a low or fail low in the gap?
Say again.
Is this right here a low or fail low in the gap?
That's still the same area basically. That's just a low. Now what it just did is a fail low if it give you something right here.
Yeah,
Or this is again if it gives you
Yeah,
right here,
low. Right, and this would be a fail low.
fail low, and then a
Right.
gap. Awesome. Okay.
Like when we have these bears like we are right now, I'm not taking this just blindly. Just say, okay, yeah, this is a gap. Let me get in here, put my stop loss here. No, because it can run this, make a lower low.
Okay.
Do I miss out on trades? Yeah. But when I get on the right side, that's more confirmation that I can put my stop loss below here rather than below here.
Okay. I was looking. Okay. In my eyes, I was looking at the wrong thing because I was looking at this as a fail low or something, and not over here yet.
Okay, ask yourself, okay, these candles, this low right here, it didn't challenge nothing. Ain't no gap right here.
Okay.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So this is just one, two, three, four, five candles. Then we ran up and we came back. Now we are challenging this low. So either it's gonna make a fail low and give you a gap to go higher, or it's gonna run this.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes. Should I add the 15 on here or just keep it at 1 and 30?
Oh, you have whatever you want.
Uh,
Like go to go 1 minute. This is what I mean.
oh,
See, look, this is a low. It challenged it. Now it's not going to give a gap to potentially run up, take out this right here. That's what I mean. But you can look at your EQ and see what it's gonna get you. Hey, yo, American, can I tell you something?
Yes, sir.
I don't personally like 850 macro. Me personally, because I understand that to trade this macro, I gotta hold it through 930. I don't personally like it. I know E trades it, a couple more people trade it. I don't personally like it. So you did everything you're supposed to do. You dodged your eyes, crossed your T's. You just went off the 30-second little gap. Now we wait to 950 macro.
Uh,
Upstairs or downstairs?
Uh, Concourse H.
Yeah, but downstairs.
Party.
Party.
Yeah, I think it's like door 20.
That's on the other side.
Hey, yo, Merrick, if we start moving, we probably should go all the way back up to that 830 gap up there, what, 610?
Okay.
There we go. 610, 610, 610. There we go. There we go. Keep on going. Ain't no gaps. Ain't no gaps. Come on, 610, 610. No, 607. That's the bottom of it.
Yeah,
There we go. There we go. Come on.
you know what I mean?
You said what, E?
Oh, that's good to see it.
Yeah, the 1 minute right there. Low, failed low, gap, up. Did you see the mirror?
Yeah, I saw it.
Well,
He lost the first one on the 30 second, so he was waiting. Yeah, we should all the way to 607. Yeah, we should blast through that 15-minute gap. It should go to the 830 gap. 607. 607.
That's how the market generate liquidity, man. If you ran them low
Yeah.
and then immediately gave you the low, fail low, yeah,
Uh-huh.
after liquidity is swept from the macro.
Like I talk about like I don't like the APD macro because it does shit like that. That's why
It
I try
does. It's a little more tricky.
yeah. I try to stick to the 950, 1050, those two macros. L-
I was expecting it to
Low.
go up there. It's doing what I think it was doing. It just they give you that one little extra move.
Uh-huh.
That's how they get you. Because I wanted it. Once that 15-minute gap got established, I had a strong indication the price was gonna go up there.
And Amir, look at gold on the 1 minute. Low, challenged it, gap, step one, target right there. Like I said before, Amir, I don't love no instrument.
So you can
Give
play
me the
that.
setup.
You could
Give
have
me
played it two different ways. You could have looked for a move to take you up to the gap,
yep.
or you can let it come to the gap and look for a move to go back in the opposite direction once it hit that bearish liquidity.
No, Amir, we got 7 minutes. JD said, "Did you take the fail low?" Nah, Jay, I don't like the 850 macro. I like 950 and 1050 because 850 I my win rate ain't like I like it. I gotta hold it through 930 sometimes to get to the target. So I like to just stick to the 850. I mean the 950, 1050, and sometimes 750 if I'm up. 850, I miss a lot, but I'm cool with that. So Amir, on the 15 minute, mark off your buy side, sell side prior to 930. You got about yeah, 5 6 minutes.
Say that again.
Mark out your buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity prior to 930. So what's lower on the 15 minute? Is it a 15 minute gap down there?
I'm over here.
Yeah, ain't that below you?
Yeah, I was confused with your asking for. Hold on.
Yeah, prior to 930, we look for where the market can Judas down first before going up higher, or Judas higher before going lower. 5 seconds.
Hindsight.
Well, like, hold on, hey, fuck that now, hey, man. Hey,
Hindsight, folks.
fuck that 850 macro, man. No, man. That's why I hate that. That shit do that shit, man.
Hindsight. You saw what it did. It pushed
Yeah,
right up
right.
into that 15-minute gap, and
Yeah.
then gave you a market structure shift to the downside. After it did that on the lower time frame.
Hey, yo, box off this 930 gap. Let's see how low they want to take this thing today. You got a 4 hour gap down there at 491.
Remember when I tell you what happened when you see shit like this run up? Ain't touching that.
It's a nut.
That's cap. Cap. Said you could have played it two different ways. You can either wait for it to come up there, or you can buy it up to
Right.
it. It's your choice and your preference. You know what I mean? But the order flow was
It's
bearish.
definitely down. Definitely down.
So I would rather be in line with the order flow. But you could have
I
played, you could have played it both ways. You could have bought it up and took it. You know what I mean, it's just where
I
you at
wanna
in the trade. You know what I
I
mean?
wanna I wanna be in line with the macro. I just wait for the macro. There ain't no rush. It hit 50% to the T.
No,
50% to the T of that 930 gap. That 4 gap down there should be target 500. Down there should be target.
that too. What's 500 now? Do you see it? Can you see it? What it is?
What's
In
that about?
water, in water,
Oh,
in dog. Got it.
there you go. Come on. There go a little bit more.
Win.
There you go.
It feel. But basically, that's a continuation pattern to the downside. Made a 15-minute gap on the 15-minute time frame. It pushed up into it, rejected, it went down for the low.
Do the whole gap. Only thing that's left is that wick from September 17th. Hey, yo, E. If it keep falling like this, ain't nothing stopping it from 171. Hey, yo, Mir, go to 4 hour.
Damn.
Yeah, if we keep falling, ain't nothing stopping us from coming out here. There's a little gap down here, 171. But this wick should be I would break this wick up into fours. This is if we get a bounce, this is where it's gonna be at.
That thing came down fourth, ain't it?
Yeah. But we talked about it yesterday, like, and we was waiting for yesterday 2 o'clock count to end, and when they gave us that 4 hour bear CID, we knew where it was going. It's small gap right there, but I believe we should find some resistance inside this wick right here. You could probably break it up into fours with a GAN box and see how it does.
Yeah, because it's coming. It's basically just closed 2 4 hour. No, two 4 hour gap.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're gonna get some kind of energy in the opposite direction. We got to disperse that shit
Yep.
before it comes back down.
Does that make sense, Amir?
Yes, sir.
Ain't nothing down there.
Boy, this a gap around 24,296
On what time frame?
on 4 hours.
Who that is?
Chris.
I know who it
No.
is. What?
Where you
It's a gap.
been?
I've been busy.
You been
It's a
getting
gap.
busy or you been busy? You been busy.
Both.
Ain't no gap at 200. What you talking about? Ain't no gap down there.
It's a gap of 24,296. Yes, it is.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is. Between
4 hours.
24,296.25 and 24,317. It's a gap right there.
Ain't no gap.
Yes, it is on a 4 hour on NQZ.
Ain't no gap. Trust me, I'm looking at it.
I'm
Hey yo,
seeing a gap.
hey yo, man.
24,296.
Hey yo, man. Go to 4 hour. Let's show her.
It was 2 4 hour gaps.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. She said
It was one here.
24,296.
296 up here. That
Yeah.
that wick is all that. It's all that. Ain't no gap.
Well, I mean, the wick is in the gap. I'm just saying it's a gap in that wick.
Huh?
Huh?
Man. Huh?
24,296. There is a
On what
gap
time frame? On what time
on a
frame?
4 hour.
Ain't no goddamn gap.
296, not 266.
Ain't no gap. This wick right here is the take out all this shit. All that's gone.
Oh, okay. Got you. Okay. Never mind. False alarm.
All right,
Okay,
Keith.
but there's a gap right there at 175.
He marked that. This is the only gap. This is the only gap.
What gap?
The one he marked on the 4 hour.
Where it start at?
It's the 6 o'clock candle from September 11th.
The 6 o'clock?
Yep.
What's the number? 24 what? Because I have another gap.
Man, y'all asked me. Let me see. So the gap, the high of the gap is the lowest candle 178.
175.50 to 178 is the low. It's a gap right there. It started at 2 o'clock September 11th.
He got that mark right there. That's all he
Oh,
got.
okay. Oh, all right. Oh, all right.
God damn, what planet you on?
Don't start it with me. I
Yeah.
digress.
You even look at the goddamn chart on the
Hey,
Zoom.
Chris. Side of bed, you roll up for me. Huh? Left or right?
You ain't been drinking as much, have you? Shit.
Get back in the bed, pull the cover up to your neck, and get out on
Right.
the other side.
Hey, if you ain't take your goddamn profit, woo wee, this motherfucker right here, it's going to the 930 gap.
But it's the liquidity, the liquidity.
Woo wee.
You gotta take this.
Woo wee.
That was the play right there. Oh, I say understanding liquidity, like gaps and energy, and they got to be dispersed. Like that's how, in my mind, that's how I see it. If you run down into two bullish for 4 hour fair value gap, that energy got to go somewhere before you go lower. So we're gonna have to push up somewhere.
I only see it on the 15 second, but it was a little high for me. And because you know me, when there's all this selling like this shit, it got to hit it, then come back.
Well,
What's this? Did
No,
it get off?
I just hit it. It made it low. No, I was looking at the on 15 second the 9:46:30. I'd have been looking at.
And that's CID.
Yeah, but shit, hey, all that shit get violated when it's something like this. You look, your ass better know your exit because you crying right now.
You know you ain't in there for a long time.
Right.
But you going against order for.
Hey, yo, Amir, go to the make this a 15 second. Oh, so this is what I want to see. I'm looking at low. It's 15 second. Yeah, gave me a gap. Okay, cool. Come back, retest it here. This is where I would have got in at right there. Start off below here. It should be safe. That's how when we setting off like this. That's how I'm taking my trade. I don't feel comfortable personally taking it just off of this.
Well, I see this as low, fair low. Yeah. 3 candles make a swing, right?
Yeah,
You go right up. And then it try to do it again here. So 3 candles, that's a swing. It's gonna get through there, but it pushed up and made it gap. That's a bullish move over this. PID, retrace. What we talking about? You go ahead.
yeah, yeah. I just don't like it personally.
I understand.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying earlier. That's what I thought I saw. It had
I
a
heard you.
low, lower
I
low,
heard you.
fair low.
I heard you. I heard you acknowledge that. What was that?
Now, Amir, what do you see?
Well, there was an entry here. Now I just see it coming back down.
No. Was this your entry? Everything is an entry. Down here, if you turn super, it would have been an entry. Down up here, if you would have short, it would have been an entry. What are you seeing for your entry? What do you want to see?
I wanted to come lower.
Huh?
Come down here. There's still was that 15 minute gaps. They haven't taken out.
God damn. Okay, so we go all the way down here. Then what? You gonna say, well, I want to go a little bit lower.
Well, I marked this off for a reason, and it can go back up to the 930 gap.
Hey, as the song go, how low do you want to go?
Down to the flow.
Down to the floor, right?
How many points was the up move?
100? Yeah, 100. 100 fucking points on that move. 100, man. Ain't nobody
Like I said,
holding that.
man, it was there, bro. I seen it clear as day.
15 seconds.
Yeah.
I saw it on whatever time frame this is. What's this on the right? 30 seconds. Yeah, I saw it right now. I mean, it's all right.
Hey, yo, man, that's why I ask you a lot. Like, what is your setup for you to take that? Like for me personally, like I say, when we are aggressively selling off, I no longer just take that first pop up. What I do is I wait for that pop up to give me a gap, then come back, then like it was on the 15 second, come back to it, then I would have took it up. Like Amir, go to go on 30 second. I'll show you again. See, you see how it goes, sold off, all that. Now I was waiting over here to come back. So close to previous day low. I want to make sure. So for me to make sure is push up, give me the gap, cool. But I'm not taking this because I'm looking at this low, come back to it. I was waiting over here to take this back up. Just to show up. It's like you have to have rules on what you like to see when you get into a trade. Hey, yo, Jordan, does that make sense?
Yeah, man.
Because hey, but for me, when you aggressively selling off, I wanna make show. Okay, but you go back to your NQ. E, you in at 448 or 447?
I don't know. I ain't getting it. I'm just getting the rest.
I guess. Come on, 930 gap.
I was going to say something about it. Yep. I said, no.
Hey,
It's
I
one of the
know you,
corners.
man. I know you like a punk,
I
man.
started doing that. I said, boy,
Hey, especially how you trade too. You saw this get challenged here. You in on the 15 second at the not the 959 gap inside the macro.
well, I am about that 10 o'clock. They have probably going to push all this.
Yeah, yeah. Right now, that's the target. That 930 gap is the target. But also, it'd be pushing up into a 15-minute gap at 526. So it's like, yeah, once I take out these highs up here, 15-minute gap right there. Keep on pushing. Let's see if we can get to that 930 gap. 547. 547.
That's how I was thinking to put it. It's all up. Okay, okay.
Come on, 547. 547. There we go. Oh, once it takes this high, it might if you in I would cover because it's a 15-minute gap right here. I'm looking at here, but it can stop here, retrace. So if you in, this is where I would take the most off the table, right there. Right, Chris? Take your position off here. It can
I'm
go
already
here.
out.
Okay. Where you get into that 15-second gap?
Where did I get in?
That's a no. That's a
Bye,
no.
boy.
That's a no.
Because I'm sick of coming on this Zoom and you antagonize me. I have feelings too.
Hey, stop jumping in that shit. Ooh, here comes the 930 gap. Right through the mother.
I don't know what to do about that.
Ooh, wait. What's that fib on this? What's this move? Low, high. 0.5 will get you the gap fill. It get you 571. Ooh, wait.
So there really wasn't a 1 minute entry, but there was a sub-second entry
Right, right.
on the 15 and the 30 second, or was it on? Let me see. Do you have the 30 second up?
I just saw it on the 15 second. If you did a 30, you did IVG at 959.
Okay.
Yeah, right here. If you did that, then you did
Which
that
one?
right there.
959.
Yeah.
What's the price point?
I'd have been looking at 50% of the gap. 446.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
like I said, like above here is the gap, 15-minute gap. If I would have been in there, I would have been move my stop. But I would, like I said, I would have been targeting 930 gap.
930 gap. Gotcha.
So where you get in at?
A little bit higher.
Okay, what's the number?
I got in. Oh, I got in
Hey,
466.
hey, they say ain't an answer, man. 466.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, yo, man, what's that 466? Put a horizontal line at 466. I'm a call Broderick and tell them they can invite you to the jig. You jig that shit. You jig that shit. You jig that shit. That's why you even hold it to here.
No, because remember, I be having multiple. So I don't need to go too far.
Man, I don't hear that shit, man. You jig this shit right here, man. 466. Hey, yo, Mary, what you see at 466?
My entry.
Just a gap. There's a gap
Yeah,
here and there.
yeah, it's a gap. Did it? But the gap didn't form until this kind of close, and we was only up here. So, Amir, what's the measurement from here to here? Was it about 90 points? Yeah, about 90. 81. Okay, Chris, how many counters you have on there?
I think like 4 or 5.
81 times 4 times 4 times 5. 6,000. Yeah, it should close the gap. It should close the gap completely. Welcome to the jig crew.
I'm not a jigger.
You jig that shit, man. You jig that. You jig that.
Hey yo, boy, leave me alone. I'm not doing this with you today, okay?
You should at least got out right here at the short term high. But when you go on with 4 and 5 big boys, the numbers start moving. You gotta get your ass out.
Gotta get your ass out.
Get your ass out, cause the retrace is ain't no retrace. Yeah, Keller. What's that? What the options do? What are we looking at? What's the 930 gap was 592. Okay. Go to QQQ 592. Oh shit, why I do that? I got that fucking charts on trade. Today, 25th, 592 call. Copy chart. Damn. Hey Chris, the way you're doing it, you might be better off. Shit, because that fucking thing went okay from that 15-second entry at 9:59. It was 60 cent, 180. That's 3x. Let me drop the chart for you. It did a 1 minute buy model complete down there. Hey yo, Jordan,
What's up?
I'm about to drop this chart in the options for you on this buy up right here.
Man, I don't want nothing to do with that, bro.
You ain't buying it up?
And I sold it down, homie.
Buy up. Oof.
That ain't my setup, bro.
Oh no, hell no, ain't no setup. Hell no. I wanted to come back.
Yeah, that ain't my setup.
Man, if I want to get on this damn bus,
Say it
and
again.
then had a problem getting on the bus.
What
Uh,
happened? You lost your
wrong
ticket?
name. At the
Nah,
wrong name.
the ticket wasn't registered.
You stole it?
Hold on.
Hey, yo, Jordan, that nigga put the wrong name on there.
I travel too inconspicuous.
Right, man. Hey,
Yeah, it was tripping, son. For a second though. I'm good now though. He switched my headphone. I might sound muffled a little bit. Can you hear me?
yeah, we hear you.
Oh,
Oh, we rolling.
Papa,
God
Papa
damn.
wasn't gonna let me get on the bus. Shit me.
Stop it,
Told you the
man.
energy got to get dispersed, bro.
Yeah, we gone.
You can't push down into two bullish gaps and not have to go to not like that.
Now it just hit
Not,
the
not unless tariffs get released.
right.
Yeah.
That thing run through everything.
Everything. Ain't
It'll still bounce. It'll still have to bounce.
1,000 points later.
right.
I think that was the biggest drop I saw live ever. I mean, it was just throwing out 30-second candles were 100 points wide.
100 points, right? Yeah. Yep.
Hey, Amir, squeeze your left side chart.
We just hit the 830 gap. God damn. See, Amir, all I wanted personally was something to come back to here. And I was in. Yeah. Rolling. What's next, Amir? We didn't went through the 930 gap, 830 gap. We look like we're gonna use that 930 gap as support to go higher. I'm looking above 627 previous day low. That's what I'm looking at right now.
If this 15-minute candle hold, bro, it's going higher than that.
Right? Yeah, yeah.
Red.
Midnight open. That's what,
Right.
yeah, yeah. No, you just gotta hold. Nah, I'm watching this gap right here, Amir. I want this to be support to go higher.
Okay.
Got 11 minutes.
15 minute candle close. Screw. Got 9 minutes left.
Yep.
Push back up through it and do that. That's you want another 15 minute gap up.
We ain't worry about that. If it pushes, it's going all the way back up to midnight opening. It's going all the way back up.
Yeah, no, a bearish gap. We'll see how it's going to come.
In 8
Man,
minutes,
I
if we
think
still like
she
this.
already chose, bro.
All right, she already chose.
Hey, I'm trying to be conservative.
Ain't no conservative.
I play with it. Higher time frame. Like,
If you look at the 15 minute, she just in 7 minutes she gonna close above that 8:30 gap. Now you that's two of them. Like Jordan said, she has chose a side.
what she can do is go up to the higher one, reject, come back to the gap there. It'll be that made by then. And then bounce again, go back. Do it like
That's a hell of a move. Ain't no retrace. Hey yo, E, like we talk about, man, I get left a lot of fucking times waiting on that right side sometimes. Like fuck.
you got hey man.
Ah,
I would go Lord. Well, by the way, it might not do it on the particular time frame that you think it should do it.
But I think I
Maybe do it
mean,
on another time frame.
even for me, that would have been a hard buy up. Cause can you boy, can you slide over and show the 30 seconds at the bottom?
hey yo, Amir, the bottom, please.
First one at the mirror song. You said I was 100 point. I can just be looking for 50 for that swing up. Next swing up.
Nah, but once it came, like say you waiting for like once it made this high, let's say you waiting for it to retrace down here. Once it took this low, you essentially you do have to wait for it to give you confirmation on that side, bro.
Is there anything on the field?
Yo,
Huh?
another 15 second. Another
No, it
15
wasn't
second.
on the 15 second. I'm sure one of ICT's other models would have played out for you, but
to this
But
area.
you had to believe. You had to believe, man, and that's hard because you run all, and like you say, you run all the way up here. You come back, and like you say, we're looking at this. You retest this area. Okay, cool. You retest it. Give me a gap over here. It gave it to you right here. That's what I was waiting for, right there. 50%, right there. Stop loss below here because it should.
Is there one on 15 seconds right now?
Uh,
Mm.
9:59. Hey yo, Amir, go. Hey yo, Amir, go to 15 seconds real quick. She rolling, man.
Stretch it out. Stretch it out.
Yeah, right here.
There you go.
yeah, but that gap's in premium, bro.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's premium from the low to the high that it made before retracing that small gap.
Yep.
If
Came
you run
back
your
and check
fib, that's
challenge
above
this.
50%.
Yeah.
It went here to here. Came back here. Now I just hit a gap on the right side.
Hey,
First one was right there.
email. We know you aggressive, man. Hey, that's you. Hey, so,
That's my setup.
yeah.
That's
That is
the
set up.
TTL. That's time to finesse. That's why I
Yeah.
said that's why it's called finesse, because it take a little bit of skill to pull that off. You know what I'm saying? Like,
What number is
I
that?
know it's
What's
not
that
for everybody.
price? What's that price area of that gap? That small gap.
447.
Okay.
See, I was looking at the 30. I wasn't looking at the 15, but it's like I would, and you 100% correct. I love it when they come back to this area. Because for me, I saw this, but for me, you sold off, all aggressively sold off, and you bounce. I can't take that first bounce. Could he come up? Did he come back to that same area? So I'm like, okay, cool. Either it's gonna give me a lower low run this, or it's gonna fail. It did on the 15 second. And you 100% correct. But I was looking at the 30, and then the 30. Hey yo, Amir, go to 30 real quick.
That's not one thing, right? That's the way you want to see it.
Right. And on this 30, I was looking, I was literally parked right here, 50% of this gap. Because it
And that's
showed
why
me,
I tell you, keep that fucking ass wick when they do that. They throw that wick up though. It fuck your gap up.
right.
Then
Fuck
your
the
gap
gap
gotta
up.
be way
Fuck the
higher.
gap up.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I've seen that 1,000 times.
Yep.
But this wick did not take these swings. So it came, it came back on the 15 second. That was a up move and a comeback into the gap. And then bam, I'm out of here.
Hey, I also was a little hesitant to even to take the ISBG off of here too. I was hesitant. I was waiting for this right here because this is an ISBG right here. But I was hesitant. I was hesitant to do it. I would say it froze, but I had to say like, nah. Let me see if you give me a bullish gap.
The whole time I'm watching this. That's the whole, that was the whole frame of what I was looking at.
Yep. Oh yeah, definitely. Hell yeah. Hey, and for me, hey Chris, that's why I asked you like when I saw this deep retrace and it go back up, man, this thing, hey, like a rubber band. This thing expanded. That's why I look at 930 gap. It's gonna expand because look at all the energy. It ran up, came all the way back. It expended a whole lot of energy. If it go back up, it's running all this. But I said like, watch out for that 15-minute gap. It could have stopped here. But I was looking at the 930 gap.
And that's why my thing is 50 points. Get out.
Right, 50, yeah.
This probably 50 right here.
Oh yeah, definitely 50.
So anything up, I can send it back down. I can't ask for 100. You know what I mean? If it give me 100, that's fine. But I'll get my 50. And then I get out and see if it comes back. Then give me another entry to get back in. So now that's my second time going back up again. That's why I call it time to finesse, because you have to finesse in the first one. This is why I used to get caught. I used to get in here and catch the bottom. Think we going all the way up here. Then they turn around and double back. And then sometime they give you the lower low. And then do it. And so I used to get stopped out and mad because I didn't get out at the top or get out at a certain point. So I started measuring how far that I know I'm good for. So usually when I'm 9 times out of 10, if I get in down here, I'm good for 50 points. Hell of high one.
How many points
I
is
think
it from that? How many points is it from down there, that first entry to up top?
see, that's what I'm saying. He's, boy, I said 100.
Oh, okay.
But I only asked for 50.
You only asked for 50. Yeah, I remember you said that. Okay.
I only asked for 50. Anything past that, like, it's a judgment thing. So let's say, well, how much is it from this point getting in right here to here?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Somebody can measure that.
How much is that?
You know.
That look like it's about 60.
So if it push up like that, and then the 50 points or whatever is real close to that swing, I'll aim for that swing, and that's it. I won't go. I won't go and take more.
Okay.
Because I know it has the potential now that it gets past. Once it gets past these things, you embarrass territory now.
Yeah, gotcha.
So anyone look can send it back down. So it happened to push up higher than anticipated. This gap, well, okay, but hit this gap. Sorry, hit this gap. I know it can go back down. So then, okay, let it come back down. Challenge these lows. And if it give me some bullets on this side, I'm motherfucking ass in there.
Right.
I'm targeting this one. I got to build
Okay.
another 50.
Okay, you're going to target that swing high.
I would target at least that.
You're not
At
going to
least.
go towards the 930 gap.
No, you could go up higher.
Or
That's
it's
personal
another
preference.
gap right there on the 32nd. That's
My
a little
stop
bit
loss
higher.
be here until they get here. They get here, my stop loss get moved.
Okay. Gotcha. Thank you.
When I see this whole thing, that's the market maker model. Like that's the bottom. The W is at the bottom. And then you got the different levels going up higher.
See, for me, also is always about learning like what do you like to see, and like doing it over and over and over and over again. Like somebody in here probably took this gap right here because they saw the 930 gap. They saw it's going to be used as support. They saw it pushed up for this candle, came back, probably retraced 50%. They probably took it up. That's their model. You got to ask yourself, what are you comfortable with?
Right?
What time was that wick into that gap?
Hey, Amir, what time is this? Is this candle right here? 10:15.
Okay, what time is the other candle to the right, the entry?
16, 18, 10, 18.
Okay, so it's outside of the macro. Okay.
But then that's also your rules. Like, are you only going to take macro trades? Or if you don't take it in the macro, are you going to use the same amount of leverage? You got to ask yourself those questions.
Right.
Yeah, this is you up here from down way down here. We're up here now.
Right.
So this is where you got to play at your own risk.
Play at your own risk. This is where the fuckery can happen, but it's pushing.
Not in relative to the range, you a premium.
We didn't close two bearish 15-minute gaps. The next one, it's a 4-hour gap up. – We got a 4 hour gap up there at 713. If we don't make it back up to 689 by by 2 o'clock, it'd be a 4 hour bearish gap. That was a hell of a move. Hell of a move. Hmm. Hey yo, Amir, let's mark this chart up. Make it give me one chart. That way you can mark it up and then everybody can see. Let's mark this up. Go to the 1 minute first. Okay, so this is your low. This is your failed low. This is the IFBG, but it didn't come back to it. I know I'm probably see people on Twitter that took this, but looking at this is what we mean, Amir. We talk about like the right side, like so. This is the low pushed up, then we challenge this low. Once this got a closure on this candle, that was your entry. Does that make sense, Amir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to the 30 second. This is where I dropped the ball. I should have been looking and so this low ran up, came back, challenge. This gap right here. When we closed it here, I should have been in on this candle right here. I should have been in on that candle. And I should have took it 0.5 at least to the 930 gap. Hey, yo, Amir, box off this gap and let me see where I would have got in at.
But with an IFVG, you need a body close, not a wick close, right?
Yeah, this body closed right here on this candle. I should have been on this big candle.
Oh, because it came back to it, boy.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's where I messed up because I was waiting for this right here.
What
I sh
time was that come back? Because you could have got in any two of those candles, right?
yeah. No, no, only one would pick me up was this one right here. Because this one
Okay,
I wanted 50%.
you want 50%, so that's 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Hey yo, Mayor, what's the measurement from here to this low? Because it shouldn't take this out. About 16 points. Okay.
How many contracts would you normally put on that?
That's a A plus.
Okay, so full clip.
No, not as 64. Hold on, I'll tell you. 64 times 320. At least three.
3. Okay, got you.
Three.
Because with this top step, y'all can't do no more than 5, right?
Right. No, this yeah, this top step, but yeah. And then I'd have been looking at first target would have been that 15-minute gap.
All the way where? How many points was that?
Hey, yo, Mary, go from here to the top right here. What they give you? At least 80. What's that? 446. Yeah, at least 80.
Just going back where it came from.
Yep.
Okay. About what,
Yeah.
70?
Chart now. Chart
Yeah,
Yeah.
bring that chart down.
Hey, Mary, go north to south.
Okay. So how many points was that from that entry to that
Entry.
first swing point?
But then I also would have been looking to the left, that gap right here. I was looking at
Right.
that.
Yeah, because it's
That,
a gap right there. You probably would have took it a little bit higher. What so higher would have been 76 points. Okay.
but then I'd have been looking at the 930 gap if I would have held it.
Okay.
That would have been my exit.
Okay. Got you.
But yeah, this is A plus. I just missed it because I was just waiting for this. I was parked 50% of this. I
Remember I
should
said
have.
the other day, like anytime it's a higher time frame situation, it ain't gonna be that, right? A lot of times it don't. It just goes because it got business.
Right.
Trying to get somewhere.
Hey yo, Amir, mark this off. Put with your text in there. Put a low. Then put fail low ISVG, and then put your fear from here to here. Go so you go 0.5. That's a A plus setup. A plus.
So you see the top.
Yeah, Amir, so go north to south. Yeah,
See how that shit line up with these smooth highs, right?
right. It's right here. Smooth,
That ain't by coincidence.
smooth. See, in the past, I would get scared when they should do this. I'm like, man, but man, now man, I'm licking my chops when they do this, man, because I know it got to go back up. No, it got to go back up at least some. If set off like that,
Do what, boy?
go back up.
Oh, okay. Got you.
The market likes balance.
Mm-hmm.
If you didn't catch it here, ain't no issue to get down here.
Got you.
does everybody on here understand why we was looking up when we got down here and not lower?
What did you say?
Say it again, Amir.
I can't hear you.
No, I was asking people on here and people on YouTube, does everybody understand why when we got down here we was looking up and not lower? Hey, yo, Amir, take a picture of it and put it and throw it in the team telegram. Yeah, Gerald. Yeah, all that below midnight, below previous day low, 4 hour bullish gap. Yeah,
There was a gap with a with an OB, couple period rate lined up.
hmm I wasn't trying to go lower. I didn't care if it was going lower. I just was looking for a bullish action down there.
That's why they call it reversal third.
I AE then also like let's say I would have saw something and I got it and it ran my stop. Okay, I guess you need more liquidity. I just
Right.
wait for the next trade.
Sometimes you might be just a little too early.
Right.
Like, so I don't freeze when it comes to that. If they run my stop, oh well.
Right.
I only put on what I'm willing to lose, and then and if I see it again, I'm gonna try it again. Now, if they do that, I lose 2 times straight. You know, I'm done.
I'm done. Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, yeah. Now I'm just seeing the market.
Completely wrong.
Yeah. So sometimes you be like, maybe I'm just getting too close and seeing it from a bullish perspective when it's with just bullish to be bearish. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta take a step back, go back a couple time frames, look, see, okay, I was in the retrace. Well, I was trying to get the retrace. It's really going the opposite direction. Like, there's plenty of times that can happen. But like I said, through time and experience, man, you learn. You know what I mean? You just learn it. But that's not something that somebody can just tell you.
Nope.
You got to see it. You got to feel it.
And you got to understand like what do you like to see? Not what you want to
See,
see. It's like what do you want to see, man?
see it come down and give you a fair low. That means I can't go no lower.
You go lower.
So if I can't go no lower, I got to go higher. That I don't have access to that liquidity beneath there. So I got to go the other way. That door is locked. Now you see, understand why I say being at home is way different than being on the road. Look how many time frames you got to cycle through.
Right.
You know what I mean, what you need to see, what you need to see. Me, I need to see multiple time frames to make my analysis. I can't sit on one time frame and just I can't do that. I need to see. That's what helped me put, when I put leverage on, that's what allowed me to do that. Imagine seeing a 15-minute gap and trying to put some leverage on it. Just off the strength of the 15-minute gap. Man, it, I need to see what's going on the lower time frames coming off that 15.
Juice, ain't nobody there, man. It's just Amazon, man. Juice, chill out, man. Juice. Oh, man. Ain't nobody there, man. It's just Amazon. I'm out. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Macro time, baby. I'm out. Connection. Disconnect.
Wait, hold on. So, how are you guys ready to do time?
Hey, yo, Amir, go to gold, 30-second chart. Man, that's why I love this, man. That's why I love
Oh,
this.
you take that one.
That's why I love this, man. That's why I love it. Hey, hey, challenge it right here. Hey, boy gap, I was in here, and I took it here, and I'm out.
You'll take that one. What you fucking
I'm committing a sin and brushing
Hey, I'm a quick learner, but turn that thing right around real quick.
You, you see the gap, Amir?
Let's see what we got.
Yeah. Yep. Hey, I only look for one thing, man. Hey, gold and Q. Any of them can get it any time of day, especially in the macro too. Because I'm looking to the left. Hey, yo, Amir, yeah, I'm looking at this. Okay, you came all the way back. You challenged it right here.
a movement in.
I don't care about this bitch going all the way up to the 930 gap. Fuck that. Nope. I'm in like a robbery. In here, out here. Because I missed this right here. This entry. I missed this one. I didn't feel comfortable taking the I was looking at it right here, but that's too much of a stop loss. Yeah. Hey, for people watching on YouTube and people on Zoom, man, I'm telling you, man. I know Jordan get on me all day long about, man, boy, you can go both directions, man. Hey man, I have literally mastered just going up. Do I lose trades? Yeah. Do I do dumb shit? Yeah. But it's at a minimum now. When I see this and I see you come back to that area inside the macro, oh, it's game time. It's game time. I was in on this candle. I was out on this candle. Hey, Amir, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, Jordan. Yeah, he's still on here. Megatron. Hey, yo, man, that's why I go from A to B, man. A yo, E. That's why. That motherfucker retrace too much, man.
Over here. We're just two there. Just let me make sure I have.
It's dangerous. Look at that retrace, man. Delete the message. Done. Okay, Mary, you can go back to NQ. Hey, yo, Mary, you got the TV right next to your computer, right?
Yes, sir.
What you probably should do is when you watching when you get your screen up and you got just on NQ, you could probably have go and just look at both of them because all we just doing is looking for a setup. That's all we're doing. What time my appointment today? Hey, Mary, go to your 4 hour. You can erase this, the extension and everything. Hey, yo, Killer, what time frame are you talking about?
What was that?
Oh, no, no, somebody on YouTube I'm talking to. Hey, yo, Amir, go to the in 1 minute. See what we got setting up. Oof. See, Killer, that's that area too.
That's how you get close enough to me.
That's how you get close up with government work.
I'm watching it the whole time, bro. I was targeting it's low right. I circled it a couple times, but I'm watching it. Yeah, gate shift to the downside. So I'm like, liquidity down here. It got right down in that way. I'm going
Hell
time.
no. I got you.
If you don't take that swing, I'm going.
Yeah, yeah, Killer asked me about this up move right here, but I'm looking at, but me to want to take it, I would have wanted some. See, this is area two. Could go all the way up here, but it could come back lower.
See, it's something on time frame.
Yeah.
If
I was never doing that.
you folks.
Oh my God. On my first day, what they did was they pulled over on the street and they said, okay, guys, back to break. Girls first. And they just
Yeah. Hey, yo, Amir, go to gold and look at that. It's the same thing. 30 second. And I'm like, damn, man, they got me going back and forth. Yeah, back and forth, like the song go. Back and forth. Tested it, came back up, retested, gave this. See, but for me, I don't like taking this because this is area two, because it can come back deeper. But you know my dude Jordan and them gonna tell me, hey boy, you know you got that B word to the left. I don't know about that B word. It should come up here. Take this out. That should be next. That should be next. Yeah. That should be next right there. With that green line, that should be next. It's coming.
Somebody.
There you go. There you go. A little bit more. Look at that. That's live. A little bit more. Come on. Take it out.
Somebody laugh. Oh, lady, you don't supposed to be going up at the same time. Somebody gonna get a draw.
Hey yo, hey yo, B, is that close enough for government work?
Yeah, yeah.
It's close enough.
Send me the good one. No, I didn't say anything.
Still never done it 50%.
I love this man. Because making me sick.
Ooh, look at that push, man. Look at that push. I'm cool. I'm cool. I ain't there yet. I will be in the fourth quarter. Hard to hold it all the way through it. To it and through it. Ooh, Lord. Yo, Amir, mark that chart up and throw in the telegram too. Have it inside the macro too.
Oh, the low, the gap.
But
Entry.
not necessarily. Go to your left, Amir. I was looking at this. This this was a low, and then it got challenged here. It did because you're not looking for it to challenge it, make a failed low, or run this and give me an entry. Does that make sense, Amir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Boy, George said all aboard. See, Amir, you was looking at it as a low, lower low. I was looking at it as a low to the left, getting challenged on the right, and it didn't want to go lower. That's how I was looking at it.
A low fell low.
Correct. Yeah, that's how I was looking at it.
Oh,
Hey, yo, Mr. Wright, you all here? I think.
Yeah, I'm on here. What's going on, man?
Yeah. What was your question?
Uh, Low key, like I was looking to take it to them highs up there. Am I tripping for that? Because
Which
where there's daily fair value gap, like well, for the options for QQ, well for NQ, I was looking to take it to like 596.
your options or futures?
I'm on options. Like I have an options in right now, options contract.
One thing I realized is we about to get to the lunch macro. What happens during lunchtime?
Each on those that are profitable.
You said what?
Each of those that are profitable. So whoever been buying right now.
Yeah, but also we could seek we could come back lower before going higher. If that's the ultimate target.
For sure, can you still hear me? My bad. My phone just tweaked. But it expires tomorrow.
Oh When did you buy it today?
Yeah, I bought it down there at those 4 hour fair value gaps, like at the lower one.
You up 100%, over 100%?
Hold on. Yeah, I think so.
You happy? You smiling?
Yeah,
Cash that bitch out there.
not for sure.
Hey, hey, where you gonna work? That's gonna be 100% in less than 2 hours.
Nah, I respect it. Just buy more contracts next time.
Or one thing like we do a lot is we buy zero DTE because we know with high probability sometimes where price is going the same day. It's like no use to hold nothing overnight because tariffs can come out, Trump come out and say something stupid, and this market would be all the way
Yeah,
down here.
I respect it. I was just thinking though that we were like at the towards the top of this daily fair value gap, like it displaced back up here. So I
But
didn't know if it might try to make a push for these highs up here because that still might be the draw on liquidity in my opinion. I know we just hit that 15-minute fair value gap.
what is the higher time frame? Are we bullish or bearish?
4 hours in bearish structure right now.
Right. Hey, yo, America, go to the 4 hour. So if you look at the 4 hour, we hey, yo, America, go north to south. Okay. We this was all time high. So now this we go weekly, 4 hour. So weekly was we took our weekly high, was all time high. Now 4 hour bearish shift. We had that 4 hour bearish shift here,
Yeah.
and we sent price down. We haven't taken out no weekly lows yet, so we still bearish on the 4 hour. We still bearish. We could come back down here and here. We could, or we could just stay in this range and then print another weekly candle next week, and then come and take this weekly low out. Then we'd be looking at a 4 hour bullish see I need to go higher. Does that make sense? Is it right?
Nah, yeah, it does. My bad. I'm getting my daughter together. She over here getting a little fussy.
Hey, cash that bitch out. Cash
Nah,
out.
nah, for sure, I did.
Yeah, hey. You can't, hey, one thing Jordan, hey, he preaches. You can't go wrong with 100%, man.
Nah, I respect that for sure. I just put more contracts on next time.
No, next time buy today's.
Today, uh,
You don't need time.
nah, for
See, see,
sure.
see, this is one thing I want you to understand. Okay, you buy tomorrow's option. Okay, it's not gonna move like today's option when price did what today? Pushed up from here to here. Now, if you that same option you'd have bought, okay, which one did you buy? QQQ, which one?
591. I'm not gonna lie to you. The only reason why I did buy next day was because I had switched from I was in a cash account on Robinhood. I'm about to get off Robinhood anyways, but I just wanted to. I was trying to be a part of the move, and that's just what I had capital in already. But it was I had switched to margin account to take a. I mean, I switched back to cash account to take another trade, but for some reason it won't let me buy same day contracts right now.
That's wild. Uh, so next time if you do it, I would recommend zero DTE rather than what. Hey, you know enough, and you've been around to know that zero buying time in a week does not pay.
No, that's real. That's real.
Because you just got okay, so you bought 591.
Probably could have
Okay.
bought like four of them joints if I bought same day.
No. I'm about to show you. Hey yo, Mary, let me share my screen. Share. So you bought 591. This is the 591 option chain. What time about what time did you buy?
My bad. Let me see. Probably at like I'm going back to the chart real quick.
Oh, you got a newborn baby.
Yeah. I just had it like about like a week and a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
Uh, I bought I bought it at 10:01.
Okay, 1001 down here. Okay, it was 60. So let's say you bought it for 75 cents. That thing went from 75 cents all the way up to 270. Over 3x of your money. You got a newborn. This your first child, second child, third child, 10th child, 11th?
No, that's my first. We've been hanging out though. She's chilling, man. Yeah, I'm just changing her right now. We better go out.
Her mama left you with her? God damn, hey man, yo ain't much trust you, man. God damn. Newborn, and left you with the baby. Yeah, you bought it here. The completion of the model was right here. It's about $1.80, yeah. Now you can use that money you just made, buy some diapers. Yeah, them bitches high as gas prices.
Nah, you already know, man.
Hey, I'm surprised you train with a newborn just like that, right there. Wow. So Mr. Wright, since you going out with the baby, that means your old lady must told you y'all probably going to get either a doctor's appointment or pictures taken. Which one?
Yep, at doctor's appointment.
Hey, what this doctor appointment her pictures. Hey, that's what's up. You want it done, Mr. Wright, or you want to have more?
Man, we getting that trade money. I'm gonna have to have more.
Shit, that mean nothing. Shit.
Hey, I need something to do with my time. You know what I'm saying?
Making babies ain't what you want. Hey, hell no. But thanks for asking.
Yeah,
He said,
just a couple. You feel me? Just a couple.
what's
About
a
two or
couple?
three. About two or three.
Okay, so you got a daughter now. Okay, so if you have another girl, you gonna try again?
You know I am.
Okay, you had 3 girls, you gonna try again?
Yeah, and my old lady will go.
Okay, you have 4 girls, you gonna try again?
Ain't no way that happens.
Hey, man. The impossible is the impossible, man.
I'm gonna have to see.
Hey, never say never. I got a homeboy from St. Pete that got 4 girls, man.
Jordan came off me and said, never say never.
My homeboy
That's
was
crazy.
tight every
I ain't
baby
gonna lie.
shower,
So
but it is what it is, man. You gotta have confidence.
yeah,
Ain't gonna be the
confident.
first time in history, dog.
Shit. Okay, Mr. Wright, you have 4 girls, you gonna try again?
They hit the stop
I
loss. Yeah.
don't, I don't think my shorty's going for five. I don't think my shorty's going for five.
He said he ain't hit the stop loss yet. What's the stop loss? E5?
Still think it's hard. I like throwing.
He says a stop loss on that. So, Mr. Wright, when you become this multi-millionaire trader, you have 5 girls. You gonna try again?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Okay, you got 6. 6 girls. You gonna try again?
Man, I got a small family. I ain't gonna lie. I get my branches out there. I get my roots out there.
He he trying to be like Elon Musk out here, man. Hey, Drew said his stop loss is at 2. You got a tight stop loss. Ain't no runners. You ain't leaving no runners out there. You caught the bottom down here at 10:01. Go to the bottom. G said, "Ain't no runners. Ain't no runners." We still got what about 2.5 hours. If we can close that gap on that 4 hour, then that 2 o'clock gap for this morning might be a target this morning. Hey, yo, E man, it's just so wild. Like trading off of this at the low, retested, get your IFBG. You got him about 170. Probably run these highs up here.
I feel like, yeah.
It's only down 20.
Yeah, because
Throw it down.
that's like,
Yeah.
that's yeah, on my road to 6.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Downside.
Going up.
Yeah, it went up there. It didn't take it. Went up there. It didn't take the swing. Yeah, no, sure. They down. Down to 10.
the shop was told, if we were on the shop was told, okay, we could do like a few people wondering.
That's where we're going right now. Hey, yo, Amir.
What was
Uh, same the same thing for the PM session because you're probably gonna be up 1:30.
that? Got you.
Only risk 250. If you lose, shut it down.
All right.
Any questions before we get out of here?
No, sir.
On that note, same time, same place.